If you're lucky enough to get a t-shirt order, do you just fold it up, throw it in a bag, scribble an address on it, and throw it in the mail? I hope not. But what if I told you there was a better way? I'm going to show you how to print, add a label, make hang tags, make sticker hand tags, create custom stickers, make promo buttons, and do it all from home.
I'm Gary, this is T-Shirt Help Desk, and today I'm going to show you how to turn your little t-shirt business into a big t-shirt business. Let's go. Now, the idea that I had in mind for the actual t-shirt was something that looked like a comic book cover, but I didn't want to do any Marvel or DC stuff because that stuff is all intellectual property and I didn't want to just steal. So I said, you know what? Let me make up some stuff of my own. So y'all know I'm into my zombies and my aliens and all that sci-fi stuff. So I did something like this.
So I hopped on the computer and went over to Midjourney. I came up with something like this. Then I customized it to make it look like a comic book in Photoshop. Then I did another version. And by the way, make sure you get on the list for my How to Design T-Shirts with AI course. It's gonna be dynamite.
So after that was done, it was time to print some t-shirts.
So to print, we're using the Uninet white toner printers. Guys, the versatility of these machines is unmatched. And you'll see what I'm talking about. So I pretty much hit print, and here it comes. Here's t-shirt 1 and t-shirt 2. We're gonna run through this really quick, guys. Lay out your artwork, add your adhesive sheet, add your poly cover sheet, press for 2 minutes at 310 degrees, medium pressure, and peel slowly with confidence. Trim your edges, and you got yourself a transfer. Take a transfer and put it on your t-shirt. Get it nice and squared. I'm using the T-Shirt Help Desk Ruler XL. Press for about 15 seconds between 280 to 300 degrees, medium pressure. Pull it out, let it cool, and peel slowly with confidence. Do the same for the other artwork. We're gonna finish it up with some T-Seal, and boom, you have yourself a t-shirt. Done Deal Records. Now look at our 2 t-shirts. Aren't they purty? And as I said before, some of you guys would take these, write on them, and throw them in the mail.
Now you know we don't stop right there, guys. That's what the amateurs do. And guys, we're gonna add some things to this, and we're gonna use this bad boy right here. This little thing is a beast.
So when we printed the art, if you look down, we also printed a back neck label and a sleeve head. And this is the HTV Runt mini press, okay? You hold it right in your hand. So let's rip out our tag. Guys, always buy t-shirts with rip away labels. So then we place our back neck label where we want it to be. We use our mini press that has been set to high. Press and hold with firm pressure for 30 seconds. Now let's do the same for the sleeve hit, that little zombie face. Hit it with the mini press for 30 seconds. Let them both cool, and let's get back to the neck label. Peel, beautiful. Now let's peel the sleeve hit, beautiful. We're gonna add a little T-seal to both for just a few seconds. Look at that. We repeat for the second t-shirt, and look at these, okay? Back neck label, back neck label. Okay, come on. Sleeve hit. And another sleeve hit. Voila.
All right, guys, this is looking pretty good right here, but we want to be up there with the big boys.
Well then, I guess it's time to take it up a notch.
So this is not just a white toner printer, but you can also print stickers with it when you use the Uninet sticker paper. So let's break out the Cameo silhouette and cut some. And you may also notice those QR codes. Let me tell you about that.
Guys, there's tons of places that you can get QR codes. You can go look on the App Store, on your phone, but I use Bitly. Let me show you what I did.
So just to show you how it works, I went to tshirthelpdesk.com, copied the URL, then I went over to Bitly. I went to create new, drop down link, hit QR code, pasted the URL, added a name, QR code test, go down here, click create, and then in here you can customize it. All right, so I went right here, custom, clicked right here, and I went and found my logo, it goes right inside, and then I go down here, create code, and bam, we have ourselves a QR code. So we took our sticker printout, loaded them in the Cameo Silhouette, and then we cut them. We cut them deep enough so that they can either be die cut or you can leave them still on the paper. So the rest of them, we took them and just cut them into squares, and the other ones are going to be die cut. Then I took the last ones and I cut them out to be these rectangles. These are going to be sticker hang tags. Now check this out. These are t-shirt shaped hang tags, right? But they're blank. So we're going to take some of these stickers and stick them on and make custom hang tags. By the way, I got these from Amazon. The links are going to be down in the description box. So now in order to put those on, you simply take a tagging gun. There's going to be a link. You load it in just like this. It's just like that. And we're going to add them. So when you're adding a hang tag, you want to find a place like a seam or a stitch hole to put that needle in. So we put the needle through the garment and then we place the tag right inside of that, hit that button, and then pull it off, and now look at that, you have a hang tag. And we're gonna do one right at the top. Now this one is our sticker. So if you look, you see that, you peel, that's an actual sticker. You can make these however you want, right? Now some people just take and punch a hole with the, nah, I don't like that. I have a hole punch, but this is not the regular size hole punch, but a 0.5 millimeter, right? I just take it, punch the hole. You see that hole, right? See, we just made a sticker hang tag. And you take that, put it up in the collar. You want that, put it right in the seam, okay? And now look at that. You have a sticker hang tag. I put 2 of them on one garment just to show you the different placements. You don't have to add 2 hang tags, guys. So both t-shirts done, and the question is all of this necessary? No. Do you look professional and like a big business? I would say yes.
But wait, there's more.
Now we're going to get into some packaging. This is the T-shirt help desk folding board, link down in the description. We're going to take our T-shirt, lay it down, face down, smack it up, flip it, and rub it down. All right, and there we go. And you see this? This is custom packaging. But you don't need that, especially when you guys are first starting out. Let me show you how you can make your own custom packaging. That's a basic mailer. We have it in white. We have one in black. The black one is compostable. And yeah, these are available on Amazon. The link's going to be down in the description box. We throw it in, and now we're going to add our buttons. Buttons. Wait a minute. Where the hell did this guy get buttons from? Now I'm going to show you how you can make your own promotional buttons, and it's super easy. Here's our button maker from HTV1. Really simple machine. And we're going to take our white toner printer and we're going to rearrange our toner so it's just a plain old basic printer. I told you this thing does everything. So right here, we're just going to print out some stickers. All right. And now it comes with this little circular razor cutter thingamajiggy, right? You just go around and it makes like a little die cut of your button. You take that and you place it in one side of the button with the button on the bottom, right? You put the plastic foil on top and then you hit it. It goes up inside, right? And now you add your button back to the other side. Really simple. You take it, you pull it around, you hit it again, and you have a button. It's just that simple. I've made a whole bunch of these, and you can see them right here. So we're gonna throw our buttons in the bag, and we're gonna close this up and send it on its merry way. But wait a minute, not so fast.
But wait, there's more.
So I hopped back on the computer and I went to ChatGPT and I started prompting. I was like, hey Chat, please write a thank you letter for a zombie t-shirt brand to place in orders when shipping customers their t-shirts. The letter should be short, sweet, and to the point. And add a little undead zombie humor in the letter as well. Also, let them know that they'll get a 10% discount on their next order. Just use the coupon code UNDEAD24 when you make your next purchase. Thanks. I hit enter and chat did the rest. And within seconds, it writes me this awesome thank you note with emojis and everything. I took it over into my PDF creator, added the logo on top, and the only change that I made is at the bottom where it says the Zombie T-shirt crew. I changed it to the Zombie Apocalypse crew. Hit print and went over to the white toner printer. Now let's grab it, take a look at it. Looking good. Now let's take it over to our package, fold it neatly, and throw it in.
Guys, in your thank you note, this is a great opportunity to first of all say thank you, and you can add a nice little discount code. See, here's the thing. A person that bought from you once already is 10 times more likely to buy something again, especially if you gave them a really nice customer experience. Okay, so add those discount codes and say thanks.
All right, guys, let's wrap this thing up and get this thing in the mail, right? So we're going to print out more stickers, okay? White toner printer does everything. We're gonna take this and we're gonna put it on top. And like I showed you before, this is going to customize our packaging. And you don't wanna write, you wanna have a nice printed label. When you get stuff in the mail, it looks like this. You feel like money well spent. Let's add all our products to this whole thing, our buttons, stickers, add our labels. Look at that, looking good. But guess what? We're gonna take this to
whole number level.
We have these mini boxes, all right? Now these are for if you have a more premium brand or if you wanna send stuff out to VIPs. Really simple, you just break the boxes down and shape them into the box. I mean, anybody can do it. You see how they close up and they look good? You take your t-shirt, you put it in there. I like to have it so that the graphic is kind of showing. Then you add all of your little gifts, the stickers, buttons, throw that thank you letter on top. Close it up, add your branding label on top, turn it around, put that mailing label on it. Now you might want to add some tape or something to keep it closed. And here are our 2 premium VIP boxes. Now let's take a look at everything. We got the mailers, the boxes, the black, the white. You can get whatever colors you want, customize them, and there you go, ladies and gentlemen. Big business. Well, at least looking like it.
All right, guys, and that's how you can make your little t-shirt business look like a big t-shirt business until eventually it really is a big t-shirt business. All right, guys, the links for all of the stuff is going to be down in the description box. And you can also go to tshirthelpdesk.com/big business, and it's going to be a list for you. Guys, I fooled around with y'all long enough. I want you to watch this video I did. If you like this one, you're gonna love this one, okay? I'm gonna put some butter on my shoes and slide on out the door. God bless. Peace.
T-shirt help desk.